thick line to the score, extending from the top of the cupboard door to the bottom, and then falls to with an appetite. End of chapter 23, and end of The Mystery of Edwin Drood, the unfinished novel by Charles Dickens. Postscript by Messrs. Chapman and Hall, publishers of the original instalments of Edwin Drood, and inserted in the final published instalment. All that was left in manuscript of Edwin Drood is contained in the number now published, the 6th. Its last entire page had not been written 2 hours when the event occurred which, one very touching passage in it, grave and sad, but also cheerful and assuring, might seem almost to have anticipated. The only notes in reference to the story that have since been found concern that portion of it exclusively which is treated in the earlier numbers. Beyond the clues therein afforded to its conduct or catastrophe, nothing whatever remains, and it is believed that what the author himself would have most desired is done, in placing before the reader, without further note or suggestion, the fragment of The Mystery of Edwin Drood, 12th of August, 1870. Charles Dickens planned The Mystery of Edwin Drood to be published in 12 monthly parts. This last piece of Dickens' writing was the 6th part, and was completed in the Swiss chalet in the grounds of Gad's Hill Place, in the afternoon of June the 8th, 1870. That evening Dickens suffered a stroke at dinner. He remained unconscious, and died the next day. Numerous attempts to solve and complete the mystery of The Mystery of Edwin Drood have been published since 1870. A tabulation of those that were available in 1912 are currently, in the year 2009, found at gaslight.mtroyal.ca/gaslight. The table may be found by following the link to Edwin Drood, and the link to the tabulation is then found at the foot of the page. Among contemporary authors who have attempted a resolution is Leon Garfield, who produced a faithful and highly satisfying conclusion to Dickens' incomplete book in 1980. This book was published by André Deutsch, but did not include an International Standard Book Number, ISBN. The British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC, produced a dramatised version of Edwin Drood with Leon Garfield's ending. This work is occasionally rebroadcast on BBC Radio 7. Radio 7 is available on the BBC website. This LibriVox recording was read by Alan Chant during 2007 and 2008.